Hi guys, so I'm here to show you what car I now drive. This is my brand new car, which I've had about 5 months. It is the Hyundai Kona Hybrid. I'm sorry about the wind, by the way, but it's very good where I am. Its name is Galvatron. It's a lot bigger than what I'm used to driving, so I'm still getting used to it. But it's so much better than my old car, better looking, it's more modern. And I will quickly show you around the car, and then I will show you inside the car. So this one comes with electric side mirrors, indicators on the mirrors, warnings on the mirrors, sensors, and it comes with 18-inch alloy wheels. I've already curbed it, so I have already scratched one of our alloys, but we'll not speak about that. It comes with a panoramic roof. It comes with reversing camera, sensors all the way round, and I also have new dash cams professionally fitted in the car. The sun is definitely not helping this video, but I will show you the inside. Inside of the vehicle, it comes with a projector screen, as you can see, and then it'll project like my music, my sat nav on there, my speed, warning in my blind spots, etc. All that good stuff. This is the steering wheel, it's heated steering wheel. I always turn the lane departure off because it's so sensitive on this car. That is just really bad, I think, in my opinion. I can also turn the projector off and that'll then go down. Got dual climate. It comes with a charging point. It's an automatic. It comes with heated seats, cooling seats, reversing camera. Something's on there. Ignore that. Obviously electric handbrake, auto hold, 2 cup holders, my little bin, nice storage cupboard there with snacks and chewing gum. It comes with heated seats in the back. It also has USB ports, automatic headlights, automatic window washers, etc. So you've got obviously your sat nav, your media radio, your climate control, all your settings that you need. You also obviously have like your shortcuts for like radio. Just turn that down, otherwise I'll get copyrighted. Yeah, it comes with Apple Carplay, but I have to actually use the cable to access the Apple Carplay, whereas in my sister's new Nissan Qashqai, the 21 plate, I can just get in and it'll automatically connect. Trying to think what else there is. I don't think, obviously this is all like quite modern to me because I have literally nothing. Oh, up here we have where my sunglasses go, and hopefully they don't do that when I drive. We have the panoramic roof, SOS, you can also open your roof. My new dash cams are fitted, so these are net-based ones. And the back splits into, is it 60-40? Something like that. And then I also have cup holders in the back. That's for filming. I think that's like everything. I'm sorry, I honestly don't really know much about this car because I literally just got it. So I'm still figuring out stuff, but this is my car, Galvatron. So hopefully I'll see you in the next video. Bye.